This is how you remove the screw. The screw.
No.
Ayun.
This is how you change the bulb
Yeah.
of the ceiling fan.
Ah.
Para tuloy ako alam mo yung tatay at nanay ni Alex Gonzaga. Si Mami Pinti at saka si Daddy Bono.
Dapat yung lighting natin yan. Focus. Parang hindi niya lang.
Ay, okay.
Wala eh.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Bawal yata yun sa vlog.
Screen edit.
Hawak mo na, hawak. Hold this, please.
Kailangan ng assistant.
Oo, syempre. Okay. There you go. You see? Eh, parang pareho naman ah.
I don't know.
I need a towel.
Oh,
Yun
it's
yung
hot.
towel na yun.
Okay, yun lang ang towel. Nasaan yung towel? Ito, just towel.
Yeah. Wait, let me just
Ayun
change.
Here.
Same size naman ano. Let me see nga. Ah, malaki.
Ayun lang, malaki. Hindi
Parang
pwede.
baka hindi ko masya, mahaba.
Mhm.
Wala tayong ganitong size.
Doon
Kaya,
sa may
Hi,
closet.
I found
Hi.
something.
What is it?
what is it?
In my room.
Okay.
Tita His pa. Kukunin ko muna.
Ay,
Then,
namatay na yung ano.
alin?
Yung
Continuous yan. It's still recording.
Ah, yes, you're right. Say hi. I'm doing a YouTube video.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will post it. Okay?
So, we want you to be there in
Yeah.
our post, okay?
Okay.
So, say hi.
Hi.
Say
Hi.
your name.
I'm Princess.
Huh? Princess Cinderella? Wale!
That's funny. Wait. Alright, let's see.
What's the name of what?
Uh,
The video? Not yet. I'm still thinking.
Tita Hayes.
Yeah.
This is big.
Okay, so change it.
The size.
Okay, you're going to
is-
sleep now?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't have the size.
Because I have to go to school tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay.
good night.
Good night.
Tita Hayes,
Huh.
you have to get this size.
Okay.
This.
Okay, so as you can see, finally, we found a bulb that fits on our ceiling fan. The thing is, there was really no problem with our fan or our light. It's just that because it was on the darker color, it was like yellowish, so it's pretty dark in our small workshop. So far, this is our first vlog, and I hope you guys like it. And please guys, no bashing, only good vibes, happy, and like lang. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Happy